Is it the right time to buy or sell Coinbase stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Coinbase, providing you with a more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Thursday, February 15, 2024. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments is something you definitely want to avoid. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 14, 2024, our system has identified Coinbase as a strong buy candidate and awarded it a score of 5.40. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a 3.3% gain, resulting in an average daily return of 1.65% since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This suggests that there may be further growth within this trend. In the next 3 months, there is a potential 5.68% change in the stock's value. However, the return could range between -31.59% and 22.45%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 83.36% change in the stock's value. This could result in a return between 8.27% and 119.43%. In other words, the stock price could range from $179.37 to $363.53 after a year. Our latest update on Coinbase brings some exciting news. Coinbase stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, February 15, 2024, the Coinbase stock price experienced a gain of 3.3%. It went from $160.38 to $165.67. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 6.62%, starting at a low of $162.09 and reaching a high of $172.82. It's worth noting that the price has been rising in 8 out of the last 10 days, showing an impressive increase of 28.48% over the past 2 weeks. In addition, the increased volume of trading on the last day, along with the rising price, is seen as a positive technical sign. A total of 1 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total trading volume of around $3.10 billion involving 19 million shares. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached was $187.39, while the lowest price was $46.45. Currently, the price is 11.59% below the 52-week high, which is a difference of $21.72. Furthermore, it's worth mentioning that the current price is 61.43% below the all-time high, which occurred on April 14, 2021. On that date, the price skyrocketed to a record-breaking $429.54. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for Coin, the popular cryptocurrency exchange. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Wedbush gave Coin a buy grade with a hold action. Also on Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Coin an underperform grade with a hold action. And on the same day, Oppenheimer gave Coin an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Moving back to Friday, January 19, 2024, Citigroup rated Coin as neutral with a hold action. Finally, on Thursday, January 11, 2024, Wedbush gave Coin an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have provided an overall assessment of Coinbase stock, giving it a neutral rating. They consider the P/E ratio as a favorable indicator, suggesting a buy rating. The price-to-book ratio is also seen as a buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have assigned a neutral rating to the stock. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Coinbase. The Coinbase stock shows promising buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, the relationship between these signals suggests a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there is support from key levels at $144.34 and $140.95. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. Furthermore, we see a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is also increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, it's important to note that there are some negative signals as well, which could impact the short-term development of the stock. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 11.10% decline so far. It is expected that there might be further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivot signal indicated a sell signal 34 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a buy signal 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also signaled a buy 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following signals. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 73 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 64 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Coinbase. When it comes to support levels, Coinbase has 2 important levels to keep in mind. The first one is at $156.88, just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next one, which is at $141.16. So, it's crucial to monitor these levels closely. Now, let's talk about the risk involved. Coinbase is considered high risk due to its volatility. This means that the stock can experience significant price movements during the day. In fact, in the last day, it moved $10.73 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 6.62% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 6.11%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Coinbase, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies can face temporary downturns due to various factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 2, 2024. Today, we're going to delve into some potential day trading levels for Coinbase. If there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $173.92. It's a crucial point to watch before entering a position. If you already own shares, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. Conversely, if Coinbase experiences a downward movement, it may encounter its first support level at $156.88. If this support level holds, it could be a strategic entry point, leading to a potential rebound. The average rating for Coinbase from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. Over the past few transactions, Armstrong Bryan, an insider, has bought and sold a total of 52,259 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a negative insider power ratio of minus 10.884. In total, insiders have purchased 675,112 shares and sold 848,782 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $156.49, which is a decrease of 5.54%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn brings about a higher level of risk. Furthermore, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 33 days ago. Is Coinbase stock a good buy? Coinbase shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a weak upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe that Coinbase is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy recommendation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, February 16th, we expect Coinbase to open at $1.19 higher than the previous day's close, with an opening price of $166.86. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinions, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.